Good morning, KG3 boys and girls. How are you doing? How is everything going on? I hope you are doing very well. Today we will continue with the phonics. As you have remembered, we have reviewed the letters and now we will continue with the phonics book. So please, I want you to bring your phonics book and open to page 63. Open to page 63. Are you ready? As we always do, before we write anything, we read the instructions. So the instructions say the name of each picture. Print the letter for the missing sound to finish each word. Trace the whole word. So we have to look at all the pictures and we have to look what is the missing sound. We have to look for the missing sound and we have to write it down. Then we trace the whole word. Okay? Are you ready? Let's start. Put your finger please on number 1. Look at the picture. Do you know what this is called? This is called yarn. Yarn. Now look at the word. What letter is missing? Yeah. How do we write? Yeah. The sound of which letter is yeah? It's the sound of letter Y. So we write it down and we trace the word. Yarn. Yeah, yarn. And we go to number 2. Look at the picture. What is this? Excellent job. This is a bus. Now look at the word. What letter is missing? B, A, S. So we write down S. The sound of letter S is S. So we write it down and we trace the rest of the word bus. Okay, and we go to number 3. Do you remember what this is called? Excellent. This is a vase. Vase. Now look at the word. What sound is missing? V. So we write it down. V. And we trace the word vase. Good job. Now we go to number 4. What is this called? This is easy. This is a hat. Now look at the word. What is missing? T. Hat. So we trace what is written. A. And the missing sound is T. Hat. Good job. Now go to number 5. Look at this. What is this? This is a fire. Fire. Look at the word. What sound is missing? Excellent. The beginning sound is missing. F. So we write it down. F. And we trace the rest of the word fire. Good job. Now go to number 6. What is this called? This is a heart. Heart. Look at the word. What sound is missing? Again, the beginning sound is missing. So the h is missing. We write it down. The sound of letter H is H. So we write down H and we trace the word heart. Okay, and go to please please go to number 7. What is this? This is a jug. Jug. Now look at the word. What sound is missing? Is the beginning sound or the ending sound missing? It's the beginning sound. So we write j. Do you remember how we write this letter? J. And we trace the word jug. Great job. Okay, now we go to number 8. What is this animal called? This is a zebra. Zebra. What sound is missing? Look at the word. The beginning sound is missing, so z. We write it down and we trace the word zebra. Good job. Now, number 9. What is this? This is a pen. Good job. Look at the word. What sound is missing? Pen. Is the beginning sound or the ending sound missing? The ending sound is missing. Pen. So we trace the letters. Pe. We write it down. This is a pen. Now go to number 10, please. Do you know what this is called? This is a queen. Queen. Do you know the sound of which letter is qu? Queen. It's letter Q. Qu. Please write it down. We will learn more about this letter next week, inshallah. And we will trace the word queen. We trace the letters queen. Are you done? Now we go to number 11. What is this called? This is a wagon. Wagon. Look at the word now. What sound is missing? Can you write it down? Let's write it down. And trace the letters. Trace the rest of the word. Wagon. Excellent job. Now we go to number. If we did not write between the lines, please try to fix your writing. Make sure you write between the lines. That's why you use an eraser. Now we go to number 12. Where do you take a shower? You take a shower in the tub. Now look at the word. What is missing? Is the beginning sound or the ending sound missing? Tub. The ending sound is missing. So we trace the word t, a, b, tub. Okay, so are you done? We wrote tub, wagon, queen, pen, zebra, jug, heart, fire, hat, vase, bus, and yarn. So how was it? Was it easy? I know it's easy for you. Nothing is hard for you. Now, please, KG3, boys and girls, I want you to turn to the next page. Okay, KG3, did you all turn to the next page? We should all now be on page 64. Page 64. Now, let's read the instructions, please. Say the name of each picture. Fill in the bubble next to the letter or letters that stand for the beginning sound. So what we have to do is we have to look at the pictures and we have to find out what the beginning sound is. Then we have to fill in the bubble that stands for the beginning sound. Okay, that's easy. Are you ready? Yeah, let's go. Put your finger please on number 1. Do you remember what this is called? Good job. This is a met. Met. What is the beginning sound? The beginning sound is ma. Now look at the letters here. Which one stands for ma? Is it this one? No. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? Yes, of course. So what we do is we fill in the bubble next to it. Just fill it in. Okay, now we go to number 2. Look at this picture. What is this? Do you remember what this is? This is a rope. Rope. What is the beginning sound? The beginning sound is r. So which letter from these stands for r? Excellent. It is the middle one. This is sound r. So we fill it in. Okay, and we go to number 3. What is this? This is a lamp. Good job. Lamp. So the beginning sound is l. Which letter from these stands for l? Look at the beginning. Look at the first one. Is it this one? Yes, it is. So we fill it in. We fill it in and we go to number 4. What is this animal called? This is a cow. Cow. So the beginning sound is k. Which one from these stands for k? Is it the first one? Yes, it is. So we fill it in. Good job. Now we go to number 5. What do we call this? It's a 25 cents. What do we call it? It's called a quarter. Quarter. Now look at the letters. Is the sound of this letter qua? No. Is the sound of this letter qua? Of course not. Is the sound of these 2 letters qua? Yes, it is. So we fill it in. As I told you, we will learn more about this letter next week, inshallah. Okay? Now we go to number 6. Look at the picture. Do you know what this is called? This is a windmill. Windmill. So the beginning sound is w. Now look at the letters. Is the sound of this letter w? No. Is the sound of this letter w? Of course. So we fill it in. Okay? Are we done? Now let's go to the second part of the question. It says, say the name of each picture. Fill in the bubble next to the letter that stands for the ending sound. So this time we are looking for the ending sound. Put your finger please on number 7. What is this animal called? This is a fox. Good job. Fox. What is the ending sound? X, x. Is the sound of this letter x? No. Is the sound of this letter x? No. What about this one? Is the sound of this letter x? Yes, so we color it down or we fill it in. Okay, now we go to number 8. This is called a, do you remember? This is called a bug. Bug. So the ending sound is bug. G, g. The ending sound is g. So we look for the g sound. Which one is it? Which one? Which one it is? This one, of course, bug. So we fill it in. And we go to number 9. What do we call this? This is a map. Map. So the ending sound is p, p. Now we look at the letters. Which one stands for P? Is it this one? No. Is it this one? Yes, of course. This one is P. P. Map. And we go to number 10. What is this called? Do you remember? Sorry. This is a pan. Pan. So the ending sound is n, n. So now we look at the letters. Which one stands for n, n? Is it this one? No. Is it this one? Yes, it is this one. So we fill it in. And we go to number 11. What do we call this? When you want to eat a sandwich, what do you take? This is a toast. Toast. What is the ending sound? Toast. T, t, t. So the ending sound is t. So the sound of which letter is t? Is it this one? No. Is it this one? Yes, it is. So we fill it in. Okay, and we go to number 12. What was this called? This is a fork. Fork. So let's find out what the ending sound is. Fork. Fork. So the ending sound is k. Now we look for the k sound. Where is it? Where is it? It is this one. So we fill it in. Okay. Are we done, KG3 boys and girls? How was this? Was it easy or difficult today? I know it's easy for you. Nothing will be hard for you because all of you are good. Not only good, you are wonderful boys and girls. Thanks a lot for watching this and thanks for doing this with me. I will see you tomorrow with another session. Take care till that time and stay safe, please. Goodbye.